Beard products and beard supplements are fantastic for your beard. The way they feel, the way they look, the way they smell. However, neither of these matter if you are overly dehydrated and overly stressed. You are not going to fix your problems by throwing products at something that is internal. I would love to have the opportunity to talk to you guys about it today. It's a little bit more of like a serious topic, right? It's not all like, woo, crazy Dan being silly again. However, we want to have the good vibes. My name is Dan C. Bearded. I make beard content for my career. Unbelievable, insane that that's a real thing, but it is. And I've linked today with Deadman's Beard Co. to bring you some educational, informational content that's only going to help your beard, which only helps the company, which helps the community, which helps the world. If you guys are with that, hit a thumbs up, share the video, hype the video, comment on the video, but above all, subscribe to their channel. It's absolutely free. Today's focus is stress. Stress is a you know what. It's whoo! And I do want to start by saying, please don't stress about your stress. I want to say we don't want a vicious cycle. We don't want you being like, Dan, my beard is bad because of my stress. And then you tell me that, but now I'm stressing about my stress, which makes it worse, and then it's worse, and then it's worse. No. We, as men, want to know the problem. When we have the problem, we have the target. Now we can make the plan to assess that target and fix it. If your beard is overly dry, overly slow on its growth, it feels coarse, it's not cooperating, it doesn't look good, but you're like, dude, I'm using Deadman's wash. I'm trying to drink enough water. I'm using Deadman's oil. I use their butter at night. I just can't get my beard to go. Is your life pretty dang stressful? Especially, do you have new stress? Is it something going on at work? Is it financial? Is it your relationship? That has a massive impact on your beard. And you don't have to take my word for it. Just do a quick Google, a quick AI search of stress impact on hair, stress impact on hair growth, stress impact on hair health. Look into it yourself. There have been many studies to show that stress does cause premature gray. If you are looking to go more gray, just up your stress. That's not real advice. I don't want you to do that. However, if you're like, man, over the last year, I've just gone incredibly gray. Part of it's genetics, absolutely. But stress can and will be a major factor. It is absolutely worth it, not only for your beard, but your health, your body, your mind, your life, to try and do the best you can with stress. Focus on what you can control, and then let the rest lay where it is. That's my biggest advice. I'm not going to do a TED Talk on how to manage your stress, right? We know things like working out. We know things like talking to somebody, going to a therapist, drinking enough water, even grooming your beard. When you comb and brush, you release oxytocin. That's the happy chemical. That's the thing that when somebody like itches your head or rubs your arm, makes you feel good, that's good for you. Give yourself the time to have your own beard routine that's for you. Not for the family, not for the dad that does everything for everybody else, but take that time for you. The more stress you can lower off your plate, the better the products and the supplements and everything will work. It really is real, fellas. Take care of yourself, lower your stress, understand life is short, it's meant to be enjoyed. Down below, any thoughts, any reflections, any feedback, any questions? I know Deadmans would be happy to interact. My name's Dan C. Bearded. I hope that you guys have an amazing day. Go check out their website. It's so beautiful. It calms me down. I'll see you guys over there. Please have a great day and especially a weekend ahead.